Okay, hello. We start from beginning. Simple words. Asset manager. Sorry, asset browser. Is new add-on which can easily help you to add some objects to your project. It's like from your storage objects. You can use them in future projects, and it's like file manager. I will show you how to set up this add-on. I'm using a file manager to do it, but you can easily do by Windows file manager. Basically, like you can find computer and do your own file folder. I prepare some folders to show you. It's exactly same what I have here, same direction. So from the beginning, what we need to have in asset browser. If you want to have it, first of all you have to download from Blender website last release of Blender. Here you've got stable one last 291, but we go for experimental one on the bottom, and this is in alpha mode. You can download, just click in it and choose your own system. There's lots of tutorials online. You can find out how to do it, or find out what's going on in it. I will show you only this asset browser. Asset browser is like experimental feature, but I hope will be in future like a standard one. We go for preferences, and basically when you go to, I think it's actually added like standard now. I don't see. But anyway, we go to file paths. Actually, this is everything after you download and install the program. But you should have it this last release. And now you can see I made some files here. This is like shortcuts to your lib library. Like you see, I've done this folders on my G drive, and I've got everything separated. It's not much at the moment because it's a long process to do it, but I want to share how to do it. And now how to figure out. Here you write any name. I write them exactly same like here, and this is like access to this folders. It's pretty simple and easy. This small plus I can give you another so you can build big library. And for file size, that's all. Basically, when you go now to in your main screen, you want to change for other like window, so they add under the data, they add asset browser here. So it's pretty simple. Just click it and I've got prepared here second window, which is exactly the same as asset browser. And now this is like my setup file. So a startup file. So it's clean. You don't see anything here. It's current file here. But you can click it and you see this what I had before here. This names and paths you got exactly here. So when you change now, I can show you on medical ones. It's like on time I made some simple fast objects which I can show you. I can show you what's going on. Just click it and drag it, and that is asset browser. You can click it and drag it how many times you want, how many times you need it, and you pretty easy you can edit it. So I got straw as well. Okay. So basically we can go for other body parts, for example. I download some files from free assets. Some of them is mine, but basically what's going on. Asset browser is loading all files from each folder. You can click it and drag it and you got ready to play with. And basically it's in exactly same position like in file from which it is taken. So it's as well pretty simple. I'm very happy to use it. I will use it actually. You can do as well some shadows too, but here you have to jump to shading. I've got prepared some shadows, but first of all, it takes to show what's going on with shaders. You can have a hand, and basically jump for. There's no texture. There's some simple texture, white one. You see many of them. Depends of your file. You can delete textures or keep textures in it. This file have some textures. Now I delete them. So we go for shadows. Go for this file shadows tool, and now you can choose anything. Just click and drag. Pretty simple. Change and fly. Okay. This is like file asset browser is working, so I can show you now how to set up base file. Go for new these files are prepared like I will open one of them. The house. Oh. So you've got the house. It's a pretty simple thing. You don't have to do it like I know. This is file from this folder. You can save like me, whichever, and this file have to be prepared in this way. I've got one or more objects in it, and what is important, if you've got file only, your asset browser will don't show anything, so you have to choose on here. It's good to prepare some good name here. Click it, go to ID data and mark asset. How you see, we've got the host here, and now this host will be shown in other files. If you open it, just one thing I find out, if you add the same way, you can make a copy. And to copy, change name. This host will change rotation. Actually, don't have to go to edit rotation. I see 90 degrees. Now, so basically same host, just rotated, and when you have different render engine on, I found, for example, is in Workbench now. When you mark an asset, you have it in your asset browser, but there is no picture. So from other file you will know only by name, but if you have lots of them, you will see only names. So the most important is before change to Eevee. I don't check with cycles, but I think it's not working as well. We can check cycles. There is options, and see, just have to click it, refresh. Okay, cycles is working, but I've got before on Workbench and shows you like go to Workbench. You see it's nothing. So remember to keep on Eevee or cycles. When you keep Eevee, just click on refresh, and now you've got these two horses in different directions, no matter. So this is the most important if you want to have prepared file for asset browser. Nice thing, if you sometimes I delete some object from this file, and now you see it's only one, but still you've got two. I remind you, it's only file which will be like library, so we don't need to work in it, and we don't need to mess here. So I don't want, I need to have one here, base model, and one in asset. and this icon shows you they are combined, but this second hose disappear. I don't need them. It's exactly same, just rotation different. So you want to delete it, but basically by clicking on it, it's not work. You can't delete it here as well because it's not visible. So I found when you click here, click on force, now you can click on right click and you can do clear asset and it's disappear. So now I split a clean file with hose on it. I show you another file. Body. Not this one. Lady body accessories. Accessories, okay. So basically we've got here three objects like eyes. This is pretty simple eyes I use in like hub in my modeling. So how you see all three objects are combined here by this icon with these assets. When you save that file, remember that all of them are in Eevee, and now when you open a new file, I made like startup file where I've got this asset browser bottom. I just slide it up. You can do like me here as well. I change one page to asset browser. It's exactly same like layout here, just asset browser have straight away have open it. I don't know which is simple, more simpler, no matter. You can open like this. How you want. And I save it like defaults. You see save startup file. So you can prepare everything how you want. You can hide this one. You can change for, I don't know, here. You can see modifiers. Actually, I have character here because I'm working mainly on characters. But you can change anything you want and click. Actually, open second window, shut it down. Just remember to open asset browser here. Mainly in this timeline here for animation, but I don't do animations, so asset browser is pretty nice. Okay, and that's all. I hope it will be helpful, and you can build whichever you want. You can build how many you want, files, folders and files. Just remember to add it in preferences in file paths. Simple, isn't it? Now go to the parts and slide on Mhm. Okay. Thanks to everyone. I hope you enjoy it. Type me if you want to know in Polish. On begin, I wanted to speak in two languages same time, but I think it's more easy to do one language. Actually, I hope you will enjoy how I made it. Type me on messages on the bottom of the video. What do you think? And that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next video. I hope sooner than the last one.